Fifth question. Plot the points 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, 3, 4, 0 in graph sheet. Join the points with straight lines to make a rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. So here 4 points are given. We have to locate it on the graph and we have to join them with the straight lines, and we want to find out that area also. Okay. So on the graph paper, x-axis horizontal line, vertical line, y-axis. Okay. And then we have to write scale also each time. What is scale? On x-axis 1 centimeter. Okay. If you measure with the scale, the distance from one box to the one box is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. One gap we took. So, scale we wrote for that. Okay, here the first one 0, 0. So, this is 0, 0. And second point 0, 3. X0 means it lies on y-axis. It is 0, 3. Next 4, 3. That means on x-axis 4 and on the y-axis 3. So it is 4, 3. Now 4, 0. X on the x 4 and y 0 means here only 4, 0. Now we have to join them with the straight lines. Okay, a rectangle is formed here, right? Now we want to find the area of this rectangle. What is formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area of rectangle L into B. So what is the length here? How many units length? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units length. So 4 into breadth, how many units? This is 1, 2, 3. So 4 into 3, 12 square units. Units into units, square units. So area of rectangle 12 square units. Otherwise, you can count all the boxes also. If you count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. The space occupied by an object is called area. So what is the space occupied here? 12 boxes. So 12 square units. This is the area. Sixth problem. Plot the points 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 7 in a graph sheet. Join them to make it a triangle. Find the area of the triangle. So here we want to find out the area of the triangle. So just take the graph sheet and draw the horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. Intersection is origin 0, 0. Okay, and right side positive, left side negative, and above side positive, below side negative numbers. And scale also we have to write. So what is the scale here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that only now we took. So on x-axis, if we measure this from 1 to 2, this is 1 centimeter on the scale only. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis also 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay. So each time we have to write this x, y and the scale. Now coming to the problem. So first point is 2, 3. So on the x-axis 2 and on the y-axis 3. So this is 2, 3. Now the second point 6, 3. On the x-axis 6 and on the y-axis 3. So this is 6, 3. Now 4 comma 7. That means on the y-axis 4, sorry, x-axis 4 and on the y-axis 7. Here 7, right? So this is 4 comma 7. Now join them to make a triangle. We want to join it to form a triangle. So if we join it, this is a required triangle. Let it be A, B, C. Now find the area of the triangle in the question, right? So area of triangle. What is formula for area of triangle? Half into base into height. So here half into base AB. And if we want to find out the height from a vertex, draw a perpendicular to the opposite side like this. Okay, so this is the height. See, AB, how many units? 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes is there now. So AB 4. And what is the height here? Let it be D. CD. See, CD how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or 3. 7 minus 3, 4. And here 6 minus 2 to 6, right? 6 minus 2, 4. Like that also you can. So what is the height? 4. Okay. So 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 into 4, 8 square units. So what is the area of triangle? 8 square units. Seventh problem. Plot at least 6 points in a graph sheet, each having the sum of its coordinates equal to 5. Okay. Here hint also gave. Minus 2 plus 7 means 5 only, na? 1 plus 4, 5. That means if we add x and y coordinates, we should get 5. So first of all we want to write the points. In the hint only they gave minus 2, 7. So minus 2 comma 7. And next 1, 4. 1 comma 4. If I took 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 comma 3. Next if I took 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So 3 comma 2. If we add x and y, we should get 5. Okay. And if I took minus 5, 6 minus 1, 5. So minus 1 comma 6. Sorry, it is minus 1. Okay. Next, if I took minus 8, I want to get 5. So 13 minus 18 only, na? 5. So it is 13. So minus 8 comma 13. So like this you can take the points. Okay. At least 5 points if you took, it is enough. Okay. Now we want to represent all these points on the graph. So take the graph paper. This is x-axis and y-axis, and we wrote the scale also. 1 centimeter gap. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay. Now first point minus 2 comma 7. So on the x-axis minus 2 and on the y-axis 7. So in the direction of minus 2, 7. So this is minus 2 comma 7. Next 1 comma 4. On the x-axis 1 and on y-axis 4. This is 1 comma 4. Next 2 comma 3. On the x-axis 2 and on the y-axis 3. Here only, na? So 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma 2. On the x-axis 3 and on the y-axis 2 here. Okay. So 3 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 6. Here minus 1 is there on the x-axis and 6 on y-axis. So minus 1 comma 6. And if I took minus 8, it is 13. So I wrote here up to 12 only. So next number 13 only na. So minus 8 on x-axis this one, and for this 13. So this is minus 8 comma 13. Okay. Now if we join all these points by using the scale, we'll get a straight line. Like this. Okay. So these are the points whose coordinates sum is equal to 5. This is our 7th problem. 8th problem. Look at the graph. Write the coordinates of the points A, B, all these alphabet. We have to write the coordinates. Okay. See, first we'll write here only. What is the coordinates of A? First on the x-axis minus 3 and on the y-axis 4. So it is minus 3 comma 4. Right? Next B. Here is B. So it is on y-axis. So x 0 and it is 5. So B equals to 0 comma 5. Okay. Next C. See, on the x-axis it is 3 and on y-axis 4. Okay. So C equals to 3 comma 4. Next D. Here D. On x-axis 2 and on y-axis 4. So D equals to 2 comma 4. Next E. Here it lies on x-axis x2, on x-axis y0 2 comma 0. And F also lies on x-axis at 3. So 3 comma 0. Next G. The point G. Where is G here? Okay. See, x3 y minus 1. So 3 comma minus 1. Next H. Here H. x0. It lies on y-axis now. So 0 minus 1. Next I. Here I. X minus 3, y minus 1. Minus 3 comma minus 1. Next J. Here is J. X minus 3. It lies on x-axis now. So y0 minus 3 comma 0. Next K. Here is K. K also lies on x-axis. Minus 2 lies on x-axis means y0. And L. Where is L? It is here. Okay. So this is minus 2 and this is 4. So L minus 2 comma 4. Next M. Where is M? Here. M lies on x-axis. So y0 minus 1 0. Are you understanding, students? Next N. See. Here is N. Okay. So this is minus 1 and this is 3. So minus 1 comma 3. Okay. So P, here is P, 1 3. So P equals to 1 comma 3. Next O. O is nothing but origin. What is the coordinate of origin? X0, Y0. And the last one Q. Okay, where is Q? Here. Okay, on x-axis 1 and it lies on the x-axis, so y is 0. So 1 comma 0. So like this we can write the coordinates if a point is given on the graph paper.